They are just like gopis, the topmost devotees. Their only business is to please Krishna. That's all. Therefore Chaitanya Mahaprabhu recommended Ramya Kachid Upasana Brajavadhu Varga Bhija Kalvita. There cannot be better method of worship than the process which the gopis adopted. They did not care for anything. The gopis, some of them were engaged in household affairs. Somebody was talking with husband, sometimes taking care of the children. Some of them were boiling milk. As soon as there was Krishna's flute, everything left on the... Where you are going, husband, brother, father, where you are going? No, don't care. Krishna's flute is there. We do not know anything. This is devotion. The highest, topmost. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was so strict that a woman could not come very near to offer him obeisances from little distance. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, as a sannyasi, he was so strict. Of course, that should be the principle. But especially in your country, that cannot be very strictly observed. But at least one should be very careful. So, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was so strict, he is eulogizing the gopis' love of Krishna. So that gopis' love is not ordinary thing. It is transcendent. Otherwise, how Chaitanya Mahaprabhu appreciates? How Sukadeva Goswami appreciates Krishna Lila. This Krishna Lila is not ordinary thing. It is spiritual. So unless one is situated firmly in Bhakti Yoga, they should not try to understand what is the pastimes of the gopis with Krishna. That will be dangerous. Narottam Das Thakur, he says, Rupo Raghunatho Pade Hoive Akuti Pabe Hama Bhujava Sri Jugalapiriti. Jugalapiriti, the loving dealings between Radha and Krishna. Jugal means couple. Piriti means love. So Narottam Das exalted Acharya. He said, when I shall be able to understand, not that I have understood everything, not I have understood anything. It is a Vijnanam, Bhagavad Tattva Vijnanam. So we should be very careful to understand the science. And the science can be understood through the mercy of the spiritual master. Therefore, Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur says, Jasya Prasad. First of all, try to please your spiritual master. Then try to understand. So, it is a great science. Tad vidhi panipatena pariprasnena sevaya. Upadakshanti tad jnanam jnanina tattadarishina. This is the process. First of all, surrender yourself. I have surrendered you. All right. Now I don't like it. What is it? What is the surrender? Now I don't like it. That means there was no surrender. Surrender does not mean now I surrender, and if you do not please me, if you do not satisfy my senses, then I don't like it. That is not surrender. Surrender, the example is given by Bhaktivinoda Thakur, dog. Very good example. The dog surrenders to the master fully. Even the master kills him, he does not protest. This is example. Vaishnava Thakur tomar kukur boliya jano ho more. Vaishnava Thakur, my dear, my revered spiritual master, you are the best of the Vaishnavas. Please accept me as your dog. That is surrender. So, real surrender begins. Maya Saktamana Pratha Jugong Jungon Madasray. The Asray Loya Bhaje Krishna Tare Nahi Taje. One who executes devotional service taking shelter of bona fide spiritual master, Krishna will never give him up. He will accept. Asray Loya Bhaje Krishna Tare Nahi Taje. Arsa More Akara. Others, they will simply waste their time. That's all. So this is Bhagavad Bhakti Yoga. Ado Gudbasram Sadharma Picha. Sadhu Marganu Gamanam